Okay, so here we go on 26. These are the long problems because look, now I've got x's in two places. I got it up in this exponent and I got it up in that exponent. So this is a totally different deal you have to do compared to when it's just in one. For starters, we've got to use the power property to get these exponents down out of there. So to do that, I need to take the log of both sides. And then I can take these powers down in the front. This power is going to come down here. Now, since this one had two terms, you want to put it in parentheses over here. And then on this side, we need to distribute. How about x log 9 minus log 9 equals x log 7. So there's more algebra to do on these. And look right here, I got an x right there, and I got an x right there. Oh, I've got an x in two places, and it'll always be in two places when you go to do this. Always. So what we want to do is get the terms with the x in there on the same side. So we're just going to subtract this one and get it over there. X, 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 X. Guess what? X is the common factor. So when we do common factor, we just divide one to the front. We have to change this where we only have x in one place. So how do you do it? You do a common factor of an x down here. As soon as you see this up here, I want you to know you're going to have to factor an x down there. 1x every time is all you want to factor. And now look, if I want to solve for 1x, all I have to do is divide both sides by log base 7 minus log 9. Now don't get all excited and think these log 9s reduce, because they don't. Because this one's not multiplied to that one, it's subtracted. These do not reduce, do not even try it. I mean, some of y'all will think, oh look, those are going to, y'all use the word cancel, which is not an official math word, but guess what? No. It doesn't happen. I'll write X right here. I need to learn to calculate this. Now, that's tricky to calculate. If you get right here and you miss the answer right there, I won't take off the whole thing, because I'll know that you had two things happen. One, you pushed a button wrong, and two, you didn't check your answer. So the way I've learned to do these is do the denominator first, because then you don't have to worry about so many parentheses. There's the denominator. Then enter negative log of 9. But I didn't think we could take the log of negatives. Yeah, I know, but the negative is not here. It's over there. And then we want to divide by this. But I want to tell the calculator to go grab it. So I'm just going to do answer. That second short negative sign. It'll just go grab this. And we think this is the answer. Okay, well, we need to check it and see. So let's do 9 up to the answer minus 1. And I don't want to change this answer, so I'm not going to do this separately. I'm going to subtract it. Minus 7 up to the answer. Think about this. If these two things are equal when I put x in, and I subtracted them, we're going to get 0. So I want to get 0 right here. Ooh, look. I goofed this all up, didn't I? I had all of that. I need to start over. 9 up to the answer, minus 1. Bring it down out of the rafters, minus 7 up to the answer. There we go. And notice I got 0. So that's the way I check it. And that makes the answer 87429 30 489. Ding, we're done.